In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the client portal in Clio. A client portal is a secure space where you can share messages, documents, and updates with a client tied to a specific matter. Before we begin, make sure you already have the matter created in Clio and that the client contact is linked to that matter. That way, everything you share stays organized and protected. To start, head to Clio.com and sign into your Clio Manage account. If you work in multiple accounts or firms, confirm you're in the right one so the portal connects to the correct records. Once you're in, look for Communications. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the main navigation or left sidebar. The Communications area is where secure messaging and client portals live, so this is the hub for everything you'll share with clients. Inside Communications, find and select New Client Portal. This opens the setup screen, which is designed to be quick and straightforward. You're creating a secure channel your client can access from any browser without you needing to send large email attachments or worry about version control. If you don't immediately see the option, try widening your browser window or checking for a dropdown. Interfaces can look slightly different based on updates or user permissions. When prompted, select the matter you want to connect to this portal. This is important because all messages and files in the portal will be associated with that matter. Use the search bar if you manage many cases. Double check that you've picked the right matter and, by extension, the right client contact. If multiple people are involved in a case, be mindful of confidentiality and only share access with the appropriate party. After choosing the matter, click Create a Client Portal. On many accounts, you may see optional fields here, such as adding a welcome message, selecting initial documents to share, or deciding whether to send an email notification. Keep your message clear and professional, and consider including a brief note about what the client should expect next. If you want to keep things minimal, you can leave these options as defaults and proceed. Once created, you'll see confirmation that the portal is active. The client will receive an invitation at the email address on file, and you'll be able to manage the portal from Communications. If needed, you can later add documents, adjust access, or close the portal when the matter wraps up. That's it. Your secure client portal is ready to use.